Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So today we will learn how to forward logs to Grafana Loki using Promtail. Grafana Loki is a powerful tool for indexing system logs and visualizing them on dashboard. It indexes only labels of logs unlike other traditional log aggregators. And Promtail is similar to Prometheus, serves as a log collector for Loki. It forwards log labels to Grafana Loki for indexing. So today we will see the installation of Grafana Loki and Promtail and configure the Loki as data source in Grafana and visualize logs on dashboard. So first let's see the prerequisites. So first you should have an AWS account with Ubuntu instance of running. Then you should have basic knowledge of AWS services and Grafana. So let's move with the practical. So first step is install Grafana on Ubuntu. So first import the GPG key using Grafana package. So let's copy this command. Paste it. Now our GPG key is imported. So let's add the Grafana repository to the sources. We get that. Now the repository is added. Update the package list before installing the Grafana. So let's update it. After this, install the Grafana. See, our installation is complete. Now let's start the Grafana server. Command is sudo systemctl start Grafana server. Now, after starting the Grafana server, enable it. For this, you can view the Grafana on your web browser. Just copy the public IP address of your Ubuntu EC2 instance. Paste it in the URL search box for 3000, which is the default port number of Grafana. So as you can see, our Grafana is running. Give the admin as a default username and password for logging into Grafana. It will ask you to update the password or you can just skip the process. So this is the home page of Grafana. So now let's move on to the next step. So the next step is install Grafana Loki on Ubuntu. So let's download the Loki. This command will download the latest version of Grafana Loki binary file. Now the Grafana Loki binary file is downloaded. So next, install the unzip to extract the downloaded zip file. Command is sudo apt install unzip. Now the unzip is also installed. So let's unzip the Loki binary file. Then we will move the binary file to user local directory. Command is sudo mv. Then the location where we now want to move the directory. Now let's check if the local is installed or not. And also let's check its version by running the local version command. As you can see, the latest version of Loki, which is 3.0.0, is installed. It also shows build user, then build date, Go version, platform which is Linux, tags. Now let's configure the Loki. First, create directories required for Loki, which is data Loki. Let's copy this command, paste it, sudo mkdir is used to create a new directory. Now directory is created successfully. Then download the template configuration of file. Copy this command and paste it. After downloading is complete, open it to edit it. We will edit the config.yaml file here. As you can see, this is there is authentication section, then server configuration, which is which port to this one. Then this is common configuration. There is also coordinate scheme configuration ruler. Here, last in the alert manager, we are going to make some changes. Hit enter to the insert new. Here, instead of localhost, we will be entering the local IP address of our Ubuntu EC2 instance. So let's copy, paste it, save the file by pressing escape, then holding the key. After this, create a sustainability service file. So this is the configuration for local.service. Let's copy, paste it. Sorry, paste it double. Here, as you can see in the unit section, The description is Loki service, which tells the service description. Then after network.target, this is that the Loki service should start after the network target has been reached. In the service section, the type is equal to simple. This specifies the process type. Then user equals to root means the user account under which the service should run. Here it is root. Then the exit start. This specifies the command to start the service. Then lastly is the install section. Here wanted by equals to multi-user. This specifies the target that should be reached for the service to be started. These commands are also not necessary. Now save the file. Now after saving the file, reload the system diamond to apply the changes. The command is sudo systemctl diamond hyphen reload. Now the system is reloaded. Let's start the Loki service. After starting it, enable the Loki service. Now let's check if it's running properly or not by checking the status of Loki service file. Command is sudo systemctl status loki.service. So as you can see, our service is active and running properly. Now let's move to the next step. The next step is install the Promtail on Ubuntu. First, let's download the Promtail. For this command, let me just open the another tab. Here we go. Now, this our command. This will download the latest version of our Promtail. Now it's downloaded. Let's unpick the Promtail binary zip file. Now, binary is also in. After extracting the files, we will take to the user local bin Promtail. Now let's check if it is installed or not, and also check this version by running the Promtail version command. You can see it shows the which latest version, which is 3.0. Then it's user, then pay, go version, platform, which is Linux, then cats also. Now let's edit the YAML configuration file. We will in the config.yaml file. Extended. Here it is the server configuration, which tells which role it should listen. Then also there is position. Their file name is given, which is data Loki positions.yml. Then the client configuration. Here is the client configuration. I'm going to change this global file just like the Grafana Loki, and we'll be giving the our public IP address. This is the stack configuration. Sorry, save the file, press escape, then folder WP, hit enter. After this, let's create the Promtail service file. This is the Promtail service file. Let's copy it, paste it here in the use section. The description is Promtail service, which describes the service. And then after equal to network dot target, it indicates that the Promtail service should start after the network target has been reached. Service section, the type is simple. This specifies the process type. Then the user is root, specifies the user account under which the service should run. Exit start defines the command to start the service. Then finally the install section. Here the wanted by equals to multi-user target. Specifies the target that should be reached for this server to be started. So now let's save the file. After this, reload the diamond to apply changes. Command is sudo systemctl diamond reload. Start the Promtail service. After this, enable the Promtail service. Okay. To see if it's running properly or not, we will run the sudo systemctl status Promtail service command. You can see our Promtail service is active and running properly. Now, let's go to the Grafana page. Here, in the home bar, go to the connections, you click on data sources. Now, click on add data source. Scroll down and select the Loki as your data source. The data source is added successfully. Here, we can give the name get the default. Then enter the URL. In the public IP address folder 2100, which is the default port number for looking. Click on 7 test, and as you can see, the data source is successfully connected. After this, you can start building the dashboard by creating the data in Explore view. So let's go to the Explore. Here, you can click on the start your query. You can see the log query status and also the metric query status. So for this, the part practical, we'll take the first one as the example, which is for which parts logs length with log the password. So click on use query, then select the label job, select value, maybe logs. Yes. Click on the other query button. As you can see, our queries are successfully. You are visualizing the data in or logs in graph format. It also shows the logs with timestamps. The data of logs forwarded by the Promtail to the Loki. The Promtail forward the log pattern and the Loki is specific with the help of the data. This is the start range. You can also see many options. So this is basically time series data. Here the display results neighbors first and multis first. There is a way of sorting data. It's showing the newest data first. So we can see the oldest first. So that's all for today, guys. So today we have seen the installation and the setup of Grafana Loki Promtail and also Grafana. By using Loki, users can easily monitor system logs and integrating the Promtail makes the forwarding logs to Grafana look easier. And by using it, you can improve the system reliability and performance. You can visualize the log data more easily with the help of graph analysis, as you can see. So that's all for today, guys. And thank you.